DEPEND established the Quality Control Center under the guidance of the Foxconn Testing and Innovation Center. Our QC Center have over 40 advanced testing equipment and industry senior quality engineers. After years of intensive study, we have developed SSTDP, a unique quality assurance system that ensures comprehensive quality control across the board. Meanwhile, our engineers strive every step of the way to make sure the product quality. Delivery products are the necessary steps of the quality control. We closely monitor delivery status and adhere to reasonable scheduling, aiming to complete product deliveries efficiently. According to customer demand, our logistics departments in Shenzhen and Hong Kong work together to choose the most suitable delivery method for the products. Product inspection is the first critical juncture in ensuring quality. Through the verification of our 3 major measures, the goods meet incoming inspection standards and can proceed to the quality inspection process. First, our engineers will compare the product label with the original semiconductor manufacturer's label in the database, and double-check that the label content matches the label sample. Then, we will check the appearance of the carrier, the consistency of the material placement, and the correctness of the positioning marks for different packaging methods, such as roll, pallet, and pipe, according to the EIA 481 specification. This process helps engineers identify issues such as mixing, leaking, and repacking. DEPEND Quality Control Center has set up for visual inspection tables to ensure that the inspection work is efficient and smooth. With cutting-edge industrial microscope, they can clearly check each component, especially the pins, BGA terminals, and epoxy surfaces. The inspection of pins is crucial in addition to assessing appearance and markings. Authentic pins should be neatly arranged with consistent color, and the end should have an exposed metal substrate. It's important to be vigilant if the pins appear as shiny as new, with both the end head cross-section and the sides tin-plated, as this could indicate retinning. Our engineers will also measure the dimensions of the components and compare them with the original factory packaging dimensions diagram, ensuring that the component dimensions fall within the tolerance range allowed by the original factory. Finally, engineers will conduct chemical solvent tests and scratch tests to eliminate the possibility of counterfeiting, such as remarking or blacktopping. For more precise thinking and judgment, all electronic components will undergo over a dozen non-destructive and functional tests to ensure their quality and reliability. DEPEND places top priority on quality. All products undergo a rigorous multi-inspection process, providing customers with quality assurance. Our inspection methods adhere to international standards, ensuring the highest quality. We are committed to training quality engineers and continuously upgrading our testing equipment to maintain excellence. Discrete tests mainly measure electrical parameters of IGBT, MOSFET, and diodes. It is also used for open, short tests and IV curve and analysis. X-ray test is a non-destructive radiological inspection for examining the conditions of lead frames, bonding wires, and wafers. It can help our engineers to analyze and determines the presence of issues such as broken wires, missing wires, and situations where there is an internal void without a wafer. The X-ray fluorescence spectrometer is used for the elemental analysis of material samples to ensure that the content of controlled elements within electronic component complies with the restriction of hazardous substances standards. LC emitter is used to measure the resistance, capacitance, and inductance of a conductor. Meanwhile, it also measures parameters of Z, Y, D, Q, X, B, etc. JESD222B102 standard and dip and loop method are applied to test leadless component solderability. It can eliminate poor welding resulted from oxidization or contamination. The insulation resistance test is an electrical test which uses a certain type and level of voltage to measure insulation resistance in ohms, Typically, it is used to measure the insulation resistance and withstanding voltage of MLCC. Each testing station in the functionality testing room is configured for testing different types of chips. We adjust the testing parameters based on the type and condition of the components, as well as customer requirements. Under the guidance of industry standards and through the relentless efforts of professional engineers, we have introduced chemical decapsulation testing. Using a precise acid ratio, the molded material is safely removed in a controlled chamber to expose the device's internal structure. This method verifies the wafer's presentation, wire bonding, manufacturer identification, copyright number, wafer structure, and dimensions. Depend Electronics securely stores all incoming materials. Moisture-sensitive devices are stored in electronic dry cabinets in accordance with JST DO33 standards to prevent exposure to moisture, dust, mold, and other contaminants, thereby mitigating issues such as aging, damage, and failure. After completing all inspections, we package the approved goods and transport them to the customer. From receipt to completion of testing, Depend quality engineers strictly control the turnaround time to ensure that customers receive their goods as quickly as possible. We consistently strive for high precision and high standards in product quality. Our company has achieved ISO 90012015 certification issued by Intertek, as well as 9120B certification issued by NQA, and ESDS 2020 to 2021 certification. As a member of the RAI, we utilize the powerful RAI database to accurately identify high-risk models, providing a dual safeguard for component quality. We will continue to improve and enhance quality management, striving to provide customers with high-quality, reliable electronic components. To be the most trusted company in the global technology industry,